Hello, craft heroes! Here's what the finished tongue of the turkey looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using ready yarn. For round 1, chain 3. Starting in the second chain from the hook, work 1 slip stitch. Then crochet 3 single crochet stitches into the same chain. Work 2 slip stitches, chain 3, and make 1 slip stitch into the stitch between rounds 9 and 10 to secure the piece and fasten off. Left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and wrap the yarn once around your pinky from front to back. Bring the yarn across the front of your ring and middle finger. Wrap the yarn from back to front around your index finger. Hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over by bringing the hook under and over the yarn to catch it. Then pull through the loop on the hook. Pull tight. So we got 1 slip knot. Now we need to work 3 chain stitches. The first chain stitch, 2, 3, see 3 stitches. This is the first chain stitch from hook. This is the second chain stitch. Insert hook under the back loop of the second chain stitch and work 1 slip stitch. Mark this stitch. Next, work 3 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. The first single crochet, 2, and the third one at the same stitch. While working on this, also turn the piece so that the other side is facing up. Continue with 1 slip stitch on the opposite side of the chain. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop to complete the slip stitch. Continue with 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to join the round. Work 3 chain stitches again. The first chain stitch, 2, 3, This is the midpoint stitch between rounds 9 and 10 of the body. Hook into the right stitch of the midpoint stitch between rounds 9 and 10. And bring it out of the midpoint stitch between rounds 9 and 10. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop to complete the slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 3-inch long tail. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. Insert the needle into the same stitch. Thread the yarn tail through the yarn needle. Pull the needle through somewhere on the other side of the body to hide the yarn tail. And trim off the remaining yarn tail of the tongue. Now we have finished the tongue of the turkey.